Today is the revision class of electric dipole. আমি দুটা ক্লাছ আগত ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ডাইপল টপিকটো পঢ়িছিলোঁ আৰু সেই টপিকটোত তোমালোকৰ হয়তো কিছু কনফিউজন থাকিব পাৰে, সেইকাৰণে মই টপিকটো আৰু এবাৰ ৰিপিট কৰি দিছোঁ। হোৱাট ইজ ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ডাইপল? The electric dipole is a pair of equal and opposite charges. পাইছানে তোমালোকে? প্লাছ কিউ and মাইনাছ কিউ. It is a pair of equal and opposite charges separated by small distance constitute an electric dipole. What is electric dipole? It is a pair of equal and opposite charges separated by small distance constitute an electric dipole. So this is the positive charge, this is the negative charge, they are separated by distance twice. It is called the electric dipole. The good example of electric dipoles are sodium chloride molecule. Chlorine is negative and sodium is positive. তোমালোকে আয়নিক বণ্ডৰ বিষয়ে শুনিছিলা নহয়? তো আয়নিক বণ্ড যিবিলাক মলিকুলে কৰে সেই মলিকুলবিলাক সদায় কি হয়? কি ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ডাইপলৰ এক্সাম্পল হয়। যেনেকৈ ৱাটাৰ মলিকুল, ৱাটাৰটো তোমালোকে পঢ়িছা, ৱাটাৰ মলিকুলত কি হয়? অক্সিজেনত এটা লোন পেয়াৰ অফ ইলেক্ট্ৰনছ থাকে, সেইকাৰণে অক্সিজেনটো নিগেটিভলি চাৰ্জড হৈ থাকে, হয়নে? দুটা হাইড্ৰজেন আয়ন পজিটিভ হৈ থাকে। চ' ৱাটাৰ H2O, ইট ইজ অলছ' এন ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ডাইপল। আমাৰ যিমান মলিকুলছ আছে, আমি যিবিলাক মলিকুলছ পাওঁ, সেই মলিকুলছবিলাকৰ মেক্সিমাম মলিকুলে ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ডাইপলৰ দৰে বিহেভ কৰে। আৰু সেইকাৰণে সেই মলিকুলবিলাকৰ কেৰেক্টাৰিষ্টিক্স জানিবৰ কাৰণে আমি ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ডাইপল পঢ়িব লাগে। Most of the molecules that found in nature have the property of electric dipoles. Thus, in order to study their behavior, we have to study the properties of electric dipole. Okay? So, what is electric dipole? Pair of equal and opposite charges constitute an electric dipole. এইমাত্ৰ মই তোমালোকক এক্সাম্পল দিছিলোঁ sodium chloride molecule. What is the total charge of this molecule? It is electrically neutral. Yes or no? Sodium is positive, chlorine is negative. Because the valence electron of sodium get transferred from sodium to chlorine in order to complete their octet. Can you remember it? The valence electron of chlorine it is transferred to the chlorine. Valence electron of sodium get transferred to chlorine to complete its octet. Okay? Therefore, sodium chloride, but electrically it is neutral molecule. Here also, electric dipole constitute equal and opposite charges separated by small distance. But what is the net charge on electric dipole? It is always equal to 0. It is always equal to 0. Generally, a dipole is defined by dipole moment. And dipole moment is a vector quantity. What is the direction of electric dipole moment? The direction of electric dipole moment is from negative charge to positive charge. The direction of electric dipole moment is from negative charge to positive charge. Okay? So what is the magnitude of dipole moment? Product of magnitude of one charge with separation between the two charges. It is a product of, so there are two charges. We take the magnitude of one charge with separation between two charges. Why this distance is taken as twice a? It is only for mathematical simplicity of calculation. আমি যেতিয়া ক্যালকুলেশন কৰিম ক্যালকুলেশনৰ mathematical simplicity পাবৰ কাৰণে এচিভ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে twice a লোৱা হয়. You may consider separation between two charges as small a also. ইয়াত কোনো ফিজিক্স নাই. আমাৰ mathematical derivation বিলাক ইজি কৰিবৰ কাৰণে separation between the two charges আমি twice a লওঁ. So what is dipole moment? A dipole is defined by dipole moment. So dipole moment is a vector quantity. What is the magnitude of dipole moment? It is a product of charge. It is a product of one charge with separation between the two charges. With separation between the two charges. And what is the direction? Direction is from negative charge to positive charge. Okay? Already in the previous class, definitions are given. A pair of equal and opposite charges separated by small distance constitute electric dipole. An electric dipole is characterized by dipole moment. Dipole moment of electric dipole is a vector quantity whose magnitude is the product of either charge with separation between two charges, and direction is from negative charge to positive charge. And this dipole moment generally denoted by small p letters, a factor sign is given and its direction is from negative to positive. Okay? So what is the SI unit of dipole moment? SI unit of dipole moment is called coulomb meter. What is SI unit of charge? It is coulomb. What is SI unit of distance meter? It is called coulomb meter. Okay? And what is the dimension of dipole moment? Dipole moment for Q, it is A1 T1. For twice a, it is L1. So dimension of dipole moment is M0 L1 A1 T1. Okay? Now we come back to the ideal dipole or point dipole. If the magnitude of charge is very, very large, if Q tends to infinity, if magnitude of charge is very large, if Q tends to infinity, but twice a tends to 0, the separation between two charges is very small, but their product is a finite quantity, then that system of opposite charges is called ideal dipole. That means if magnitude of either charge is very, very large, it tends to infinity. Magnitude of each charge is very, very large, it tends to infinity. And separation between twice a is very small, tends to 0. But the product of Q into twice a is finite. Then that system of opposite charges separated by small distance is called ideal dipole or point dipole. আমি যিবিলাক মলিকুলস পঢ়িছো সোডিয়াম ক্লোরাইড, এই সোডিয়াম ক্লোরাইড মলিকুলটোক আমি আইডিয়াল বা পইণ্ট ডাইপল বুলি কনচিডাৰ কৰিব পাৰোঁ. কাৰণ কিয় সোডিয়ামৰ চাৰ্জ কিমান ইয়াত 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 কুলম. ক্লোৰিনতো 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 কুলম. But what is separation between them? Separation between the sodium and chlorine is of the order of 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Since separation is very small and strength of either charge is very large, this sodium chloride also constitute an ideal or point dipole. Okay? So this is the dipole, this is called dipole axis. This is called a dipole axis and this is called the equatorial line of electric dipole. Okay? Clear hoise? Now we try to find out electric field intensity. Now we try to find out electric field intensity at an axial point of electric dipole. At an axial point of electric dipole. So, এইটো মোৰ dipole AB বুলি কৈছো, plus charge, itu minus charge, separated by twice a. This is the point P where I want to find out electric field intensity. This point is at a distance r from the center of the dipole. What is the intensity? Force on unit positive charge. So, hey karone, dear Das, we place a unit positive charge here. So, this is positive, they are repel. Yes or no? They repel. So, they are repel. This is positive, this is negative, this is therefore it is repel. So, this positive charge repel this, so this is EA. This negative charge attract this positive charge, therefore it is called EB. EA means force on unit positive charge due to positive charge at A. EB means force on unit positive charge due to negative charge at B. Since this positive charge Q is closer to unit positive charge than that of negative charge, magnitude of EA is more than EB. যেহেতু ইউনিট পজিটিভ চাৰ্জটো এই চাৰ্জটোৰ পৰা ওচৰত আছে সেইকাৰণে ই এৰ ম্যাগনিটিউড ইবিতকৈ বেছি since this positive charge is closer to the unit positive charge hence magnitude of EA greater than EB গতিকে এইখিনি মোৰ A হ'ব গতিকে AP is equal to মোৰ কিমান হ'ব R minus A আৰু PB is equal to মোৰ কিমান হ'ব R plus A হ'ব OP is equal to R OB is equal to A. So what is PB? It is R plus A. Since the angle between EA and EB is 180 degree, what is the net magnitude? EA minus EB. Why EA minus EB? Because it has larger magnitude. So what is the direction of EA minus EB? It is in this direction. What is this direction? This direction is also the direction of dipole moment. What is the direction of dipole moment? Negative to positive. This is the direction of dipole moment. What is the direction of net intensity? This is the direction of net intensity. That means both of them are parallel to each other. Okay? So therefore, what is net intensity at P? Net intensity at P is EA minus EB. EA means this. EB means this. This K is, what is K? K means 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. What is K? K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. So EA is K Q by AP square. This is AP. AP square. What is AP? AP means R minus A. What is EB? K Q by PB square. PB square. What is PB? R plus A. I take KQ common. So what we get? 1 by R minus A whole square minus 1 by R plus A whole square. So if I take the LCM, this is the LCM. What is R minus A into R plus A? R square minus A square. But there are 2 R minus A, 2 R plus A. Therefore R square minus A square whole square. This is the LCM. তোমালোকে জানা এইটো কেনেকৈ কৰে সো এইটো ইয়াত যাব এইটো ইয়াত যাব R plus A whole square minus R minus A whole square কিমান 4RA 4RA. This 4RA can be written as 2 into Q into twice A into R. 2 into 2 4 হৈ যাব A2R A2R A2A A2A 4RA টুক মই কি লিখিম 2 into Q into twice A into R লিখিম কিয় লিখিম Q into twice A মানে মোৰ কি ডাইপল মোমেন্ট সেখানে E is equal to K twice PR divided by R square minus A square whole square. What is the P cap? P cap? What is P cap? Cap is the P cap is the unit vector. P cap is the unit vector. Parallel to dipole moment. What is the direction of dipole moment? B to A. B to A. What is the direction of net intensity here? It is AP. BA is parallel to AP. Therefore, I give here P cap. বুজি পাইছা এইটো? So, what is net intensity at P? Net intensity at P is equal to EA minus EB. কিয় ইয়াত EA minus EB লিখিছো চোৱা এইটো মোৰ angle between EA and EB কিমান আছে 180 degree আছে 180 degree আছে magnitude of EA greater than magnitude of EB. Why magnitude of EA greater than magnitude of EB? Because the positive charge is very close to unit positive charge. The negative charge is away from the positive charge. Okay, therefore EA greater than EB. What is PA? PA means R minus A. What is BP? It is R plus A. It is because this distance is R, this distance is A. So what is this? This is R minus A. Okay, this is R, this is A, this is A. So what is PB? It is R plus A. It is R plus A. So what is net intensity? EA minus EB. Why? Because angle between EA and EB is 180 degree. Yes or no? So what is EA? KQ by AP square. What is EB? KQ by BP square. Edu pale mur kiman hobo? Ekhini hobo. What is the direction of electric field intensity? Along the direction of dipole moment, hekhane PK. Okay. For ideal dipole, what happens? For ideal dipole, what happens? R very greater than twice A. So R square minus A square is R square. So R square minus A square whole square is R square whole square R to the power 4. I put, instead of R square minus A square whole square, I put R to the power 4. 1 R get cancel. So E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 twice P by R cube into Pk. Clear hoise etu hol electric field intensity at an axial point. Okay, clear hoise? This is twice PR. P2 ki asil? Dipole moment asil. R square minus A square whole square mane mur kiman hobo? R to the power 4 asil. Yet R to the power 4 likhichilu. 1 R get cancel. So it is R cube. So this is electric field intensity at an axial point of electric dipole. The next topic is what is the electric field intensity at equatorial point of electric dipole? It is so, again AB is the dipole, this is positive charge, this is negative charge, separated by distance twice A. I have to find out electric field intensity at the point P. This line is called actually equatorial line. Yes or no? So this is positive charge, this is negative charge, it is attracted, it is EB. This is positive charge, this is positive charge, it is repelled EA. But this PB distance is equal to PA distance. This PB distance is equal to PA distance. PB or PA distance to equal kiman hobo? Square root of R square plus A square. Why? This is a right angle triangle. According to Pythagoras theorem, R square plus A square is equal to D square. So what is PA? It is R square plus A square. Again, magnitude of discharge and magnitude of discharge same. PB is equal to PA. Therefore, magnitude of EA is equal to magnitude of EB. What is magnitude of EA? Magnitude of EA is proportionality constant. Proportionality constant. What is proportionality constant? K. Charge is Q divided by distance square. Distance square means AP square. Distance square means AP square. AP means square root of R square plus A square. So square root is removed. Is it clear? So it is Q divided by R square plus A square. That means magnitude of EA is equal to EB. So what is net intensity at P? Since this side is equal to this side, this angle and this angle becomes equal. Properties of isosceles triangle. So therefore, what is this angle? This is 180 minus twice theta. But what is this whole angle is? This whole angle is 180 degree. Therefore, what is this angle? It is 180 minus this angle. This angle is 180 minus twice theta. Therefore, this angle is twice theta. That means angle between EA and EB is equal to twice theta and magnitude of EA is equal to magnitude of EB. Therefore, according to parallelogram law, what is net intensity at P? Net intensity at P is square root of EA square plus EB square plus twice EA EB cos of twice theta. Because this angle is twice theta. Angle between EA and EB is twice theta because of that. But EA is equal to EB. EA and EB are equal. Therefore, EA square plus twice EA cos of twice theta. So it is twice EA square. This is twice EA square. If I take twice EA square common, it is 1 plus cos of twice theta. তোমালোকে trigonometry পাবা 1 plus cos of twice theta is twice cos square theta. Inside the square root, there are two 2's, EA square and cos square theta. বুজি পাইছা? গতিকে আমাৰ নেট ইন্টেন্সিটিটো কিমান আহিব? twice EA cos of theta. 2 EA means কি আছিল? KQ by R square plus A square. But what is cos theta? What is cos theta? Again you come back to this right angle triangle. To this right angle triangle. What is the name of the right angle triangle? It is APO. So what is cos theta? It is base by hypotenuse. What is base? It is A. What is hypotenuse? Square root of R square plus A square. Therefore this value is substituted here. A value to মই substitute কৰিলো cos theta জায়গাত। ইয়াত চোৱা ইয়াত পাৱাৰ 1 আছে, ইয়াত হাফ আছে, সেইকাৰণে 3/2। এইখিনি বস্তু আগৰ ক্লাছত বুজোৱা হৈছেই। This is A, this is Q. এইটো Q into A. ইয়াৰ যে এই 2 মই ভিতৰত লৈ গলো Q into twice A. Q into twice A means কি? What is Q into twice A? Q into twice A means dipole moment. This is R square plus A square whole to the power 3/2. Okay, so therefore E is equal to KP by R square plus A square whole to the power 3/2. But what is the direction? Direction is minus P cap. Why? Why direction is minus P cap? What is the direction of electric dipole moment? Negative charge to positive charge. It is from B to A. What is the direction of dipole moment? B to A. What is the direction of intensity at P? It is like this. This direction and this direction, they are opposite to each other. Yes or no? They are opposite to each other. Therefore, I give a minus P cap here. I give a minus P cap here. So what is the direction of, what is the net direction of, what is the intensity at the equator? What is the direction of electric field intensity at equatorial point of dipole? So this is the direction of dipole moment BA. What is the direction of net intensity? PE. So this direction and these directions are oppositely directed. So therefore minus P cap is written here. Okay. So it is E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. It corpora ahile, K value to ahile, P divided by R square plus A square whole to the power 3/2 minus P cap. For ideal dipole, R square plus A square is R square because R is very greater than twice A. মই লিখিছিলোঁ মই ডেফিনেশ্যনটোত twice A tends to 0 বুলি লিখিছিলোঁ। For ideal dipole, twice A tends to 0. তাৰমানে R square plus A square of the order of R square. So R square plus A square whole to the power 3/2 is R square whole to the power 3/2 R cube. So E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 P divided by R cube. P divided by R cube, okay, minus P cap. Clear হৈছে এইটো? Clear হৈছে? মই এইখিনি আৰু এবাৰ ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ, this is EB, this is EA, the angle between them is twice theta, okay? So what is the net intensity? Applying the parallelogram law, net intensity at P is equal to square root of EA square plus EB square plus twice EA EB cos of twice theta. এইটো twice theta কেনেকৈ হ'ল? A angle to theta, okay? Isosceles triangle. গতিকে এইটো এংগল মোৰ কিমান হ'ব? 180 minus twice theta. এই গোটেই এংগলটো 180 ডিগ্ৰী। সো এই এংগলটো মোৰ কিমান হ'ব? twice theta হ'ব। ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে? মই ইয়াতে ৰাখি দিছোঁ।